Do you remember what you paid for the first house?
Yeah, 470 is what we paid for the first place.
470. Didn't that
Yeah.
feel like a lot of money?
Sorry?
Didn't that feel like a lot of money?
On at the time, that felt like a lot of money. Like, because houses were only going for like 500, and this place still needed work, and I was like, geez, like now, I'll take a 470 every day.
So let's stay on this first property. 470 is a detached bungalow, right?
Yeah.
And then how much did you need to renovate?
We put 65 into it.
65.
I feel like I talk about these numbers so much. I need to memorize them.
How much did you account for your time?
No, I did not account for my time.
Okay. What do you think would have been retail then, if it was full retail? Another 10?
Probably another 10. I didn't do like heavy labor jobs. I did easy stuff, but it took me a long time because it was my first time really going through the process. And you could probably have tacked on another 5,000 because I did my drawings myself too. Right. So.
Architect Joe. Well
yeah.
Done.
Sure.
And then what did you rent it for?
At the time, geez, I don't remember, to be honest with you. I think at the time we'd rented it for 17 or 18 up, 17 up, and 15 down, 1,500. Yeah.
This is only 2 years ago?
Yeah.
So 2019? Pre-pandemic?
Yeah, pre-pandemic.
Just pre-pandemic.
Yeah, pre-pandemic.
Okay, so 1,700 for a 3-bedroom main floor.
Yeah.
3-bedroom, 1 bath, and then downstairs 1,500.
Oh my god, it's been that long. Oh my god.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
And then, do you know what the market rents are today?
Yeah, I think.
Or you've had some turnover, right?
I've had some turnover, but some turnover was kind of a partial turnover. One half of the tenants left, and the other half came in. So we just established a new agreement we agreed on a kind of a moderate price between what it would rent for now and what it is worth, and that's just kind of saved me. I figured it saved me on having to hold a vacant unit and stuff like that. It kind of just made sense from a math perspective. So right now I think it would rent for 17 down and somewhere between at least bare minimum 2,000 to 2,100 up. 2,000 probably because it's not updated, but yeah.
I'm signing a main floor for 2,400 this week.
You're selling or are you signing?
Yeah.
24.
Yeah.
A 3?
18 for the basement.
But a 3 plus what?
Just a 3-bedroom.
3 bedroom, 1 bath?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Ensuite laundry.
Fully updated though.
It just renovated.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, but even the house I just closed on last month, 5-year-old renovation, 3-bedroom up.
Still 24?
23.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So the uplift for a brand new reno was an extra $100.
Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah.
It's crazy town, isn't it?
Yeah. I may when I get turnover there, they haven't been the most respectful to the unit on the main floor. Young kids. I feel like I've only had not troubled, like they pay rent on time all the time, but I've only ever had people in that main floor that haven't taken care of it, and I think that has to do with it's not updated, so I may sink a little bit of money into it just to update it to get that higher quality tenant. Because I'm finding where I like to invest is kind of A areas and getting in those good tenants, and I find that it's just less headache for me, especially if I'm managing it personally, as I do with my Hamilton places. It's less headache if the tenants are kind of high-paying job, like the doctor, the lawyer, the nurse kind of jobs, instead of the kind of maybe students or young adults getting into the workplace for the first time is kind of the demographic that I've been getting with that unit, and so I may update it just to get that higher quality tenant. For me, it's worth it just from a time perspective, right?
Do you know what the house cash flows for you?
Yeah, it doesn't cash flow much based on the rents right now, but it cash flows after expenses about $300 a month. So minus expenses, it still goes for something close to like 900 if there's no expenses of that year. But yeah, I usually always include that, so it's 300, I'd say.
And then what's it worth today?
I just actually got it reappraised because I refinanced it. It got appraised a few months back at 615. 3 months ago. No, it was 3 months ago. No, 6 months ago now. Jeez, oh my God, it's been that long. 6 months ago, at 6:15.
What do you think?
Or sorry, not 6:15, 8:15. My bad. Sorry, I don't know what.
Okay,
I was
that's a
thinking.
big difference.
Yeah. There's a huge difference there. I'm sorry.
6 versus 8 is like. Whoa.
Yeah. No, that's
you
6.
didn't appeal that.
Yeah. No, 8:15. 8:15. Sorry.
So you did all right.
Yeah, we didn't do too bad.
Not too bad. That's an
Yeah.
uplift of.
You doing the math in your head?
Yeah, I'm really bad at that. It's like 250 grand.
Yeah, give or take.
250 grand equity I'll gain.
Yeah.
On a cash flowing asset.
I mean, the market's been crazy though, and we've talked about this for everybody,
Oh, yeah.
right? And so, I mean, I can't take full credit for it, obviously.
No.
But not complaining.
Here's the thing, though. You made an educated bet,
Oh yeah, I get that.
right?
Yeah.
It wasn't all luck,
No.
right? You chose Hamilton. You got a referral for an agent, right? You invested in a duplex, so you have 2 incomes instead of 1.
Mm.
You invested in a good area where tenants want to live. It has a hot resale market,
Mm.
right? You did all these things, and money printing. It was even happening pre-pandemic, so we knew to get hard. We all knew we needed hard assets. So
Yeah.
it's not all luck.
No,
I know we
no,
say
no.
it's luck. So when our family and friends are like, "Oh, you're so rich," like, I got lucky.
Yeah. It's easy out. It's an easy out. Yeah.
Yeah. I got lucky. I can't repeat this. So you've gone on to do several. How many houses do you have now?
We have 5, and we're gonna be closing on a 6th with a joint venture partner very soon. We're just trying to. We've put offers on a few places, but we've missed out on some. So.
Right.
But I feel it coming. So.
What's the split between cities?
What do you mean?
How many? Where are these properties?
So right now I have 3 in Hamilton and I have 2 in Sudbury. I've recently added Sudbury to kind of the markets that I'm providing to my joint venture partners, for multiple reasons. But yeah, so I have 2 in Sudbury and we did a wholesale in Sudbury as well.